It's one of the simplest ways to make money online, and I show you how to do it in this video by showing you how to get paid free PayPal money just for signing up. What's the best way to get this done? Soon enough, we'll know. Just by signing up, you can start earning money online right away. Furthermore, very few of the people who watch my videos actually become subscribers. You can unsubscribe at any time, but if you find this video to be helpful, you may want to subscribe with notifications turned on. If I come across a particularly novel approach to making money online, I'll be sure to let you know so that you can be among the first to put it to use. Maximize your financial gain as a result. Has the monotony of your phone's notifications gotten to you? Would you like to make a modification, but you don't know where to begin? To that end, what if I told you that, in addition to receiving payment notifications, you could receive a plethora of other notifications, all in this video? You can make more than $54 in a short amount of time using the method I'm about to reveal to you. I can guarantee that this method is entirely legitimate, completely efficient, and, most importantly, entirely cost-free. I've brought along some brand new apps for you to check out today. Download the software, create an account, and you can start making money immediately. Furthermore, this approach is completely open to everyone as it is widely accessible all over the world. Given that I am a native of blank, ACA your country, I would appreciate it if you would share your thoughts down below. I'll know where exactly you came from then. In the future, I want to make sure the videos I share with you are exactly what you're looking for. In the space provided, please share your country's name. Don't forget that I'll also be giving you some bonus advice that could potentially triple your income compared to that of your peers. Be sure to stay and watch all the way through to the end. Now let's launch the very first app. Our first recommended app is InstantGC.com. However, before we dive into making money with this app, we can see that InstantGC is upfront about their PayPal payments on their Facebook page. There are alternatives to PayPal, such as gift cards and direct deposit, that can be used to pay you. This app, by the way, works fine on both iOS and Android. It makes no sense not to get this app. When you go back to the app, you can get paid to do things you already do online, like take surveys, watch videos, shop online, and surf the web. However, if you're looking for a way to make money fast, I suggest watching videos, which you can do right here. You can quickly and easily make a lot of money in this field by opening many videos and playing them simultaneously. Those videos also include survey-taking opportunities. In this way, your potential for financial gain can be maximized. Creating an account is the only remaining step before getting started. Connecting your Facebook, Twitter, or Google accounts or entering your information manually will earn you bonus points. Next up is AppKarma.io, which ranks apps based on user feedback. You can make money by downloading and using this fantastic app. Absolutely no cost is associated with using this app. It's free, works with iOS and Android, and has a wide range of device support. The best part is that you can earn 300 bonus points without spending a dime by simply installing and registering this app. You should also know that $1 is equal to 100 points. Thus, 300 points will get you the easiest $3 you've ever had. Donating is as easy as logging in and installing the app. This app also has a referral program that you can use to make money. Earn a percentage of your referrals' earnings once they reach a predetermined income threshold. Just think of it as a passive income stream. You'll be content to do nothing while others toil away to earn a living for you. The best part about this program is the potential for daily earnings. As was previously mentioned, the app merely having you log in and complete tasks will earn you rewards. If you complete more AppKarma tasks, you will be promoted to a higher level and receive more rewards. If you want to make more money with this app, all you have to do is collect these badges. The third app we'll talk about is called CashKick.com. You can get paid through PayPal or a bank transfer with this app. Though similar to InstantGC, CashKick offers higher payouts for your time and effort. Their offerings are comparable to those of InstantGC, as you can see. Therefore, it can be utilized in the same manner as the original app. If you want to maximize your earnings, it's best to watch videos while answering surveys as much as possible in the background. Get started on your new account right away by filling out the required information. But first, if you like this video, which I worked hard on, please hit the like button and subscribe with notifications enabled. Now let's move on to the fourth app, SuperPay.me. This app provides access to paid surveys at no cost, and the turnaround time for receiving payments is only 1 day. The whole thing is safe and reliable. Payments can be made in as little as 1 business day. Even their withdrawal cap is quite low. By the way, you'll get a great welcome bonus when you sign up for this app. It's clear that they've already given out a lot of cash to people all over the world. The idea behind this app is straightforward. You fill out surveys. This app's openness and honesty regarding payouts is a major selling point for me. These are the total payouts made by this app across the globe. To create an account and begin earning money with this app, just click here and fill out the form. The fifth app on our list, SmartApp.io, can now be installed on any mobile device. By signing into this app, you will have the opportunity to make money. Reviews of this software's functionality have been consistently favorable. You can help with the SmartApp study by signing up for a free account and taking a short survey. Next, get the app and start making money right away. Simply by signing up for this app and using it on a daily basis, you can earn rewards and cash at no cost to you. You can start making money by clicking the button below, answering a few questions, and filling out some basic information. In general, these are excellent possibilities for generating income online. Because, these are just elementary programs and websites that anyone can use. These responsibilities don't require any unique abilities on your part. Simply log in every day, watch videos, and fill out surveys to earn money. If you use these apps regularly, you will definitely see a financial return. Watch this video right now to find out how you can make $5 every 60 seconds just by typing words, making it one of the best ways to make money online.